Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's take a look at the log display options, and as you can see here we've got the screen timeout, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of options to choose from, so we can set, let's say, shorter options like 15 or 30 seconds, or longer ones like 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, so basically all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.